Guys, welcome to this lesson on LeanFT. In this lesson, you will learn about various challenges and issues that might happen while trying to do LeanFT automation. So main challenge in the LeanFT automation is that LeanFT doesn't support third-party objects. So there are some standard objects that have been defined by the LeanFT for each technology like Java, .NET, web applications, etc. So each object is defined, standard object is defined, and properties and values are also defined. So if developers use some third-party objects, then LeanFT will not be able to identify such objects. So that is the major drawback of the LeanFT, but they also provide the solution for that. By using the native object concept, we can access the native properties and the methods of that particular object and then do the automation using that particular approach. So I will show you some example over there. Like over here, you will notice that I have set the value using set value method, but instead of that I can also use the native object concept to access the value of that particular object as well. So for finding the properties and the values of the native object, you can use the members property of the native object, which returns all the members, and then you can access those one by one to see which one meets your requirements. Then let's move on, and then let's see common issues that might occur. So sometimes you get the error saying that failed to connect to LeanFT runtime engine on a specific port. So this specific error comes when you are trying to connect to the LeanFT runtime engine which is not running. So make sure that the engine is running and you are also using the correct port, or the engine is using the running on the correct port, and you are using the same port in your code as well. Otherwise you will get that error. Then another error might come saying that please make sure the LeanFT SDK was properly initialized. So this particular error comes when you haven't initialized the SDK. So to manually initialize the SDK, what you have to do is you have to use this particular syntax in here in this particular code. I have initialized the SDK as well as report, and then I have invoked this reporter.init as well. So in here I have initialized SDK, and in here I have initialized the reporter. And while initializing the SDK, I have given the address of the LeanFT engine. So that is how you can manually initialize the SDK, LeanFT SDK. Then you might get the exception saying that object is not unique. So this exception comes when LeanFT is able to identify more than one object matching this description that we have provided in the code. So to get rid of this error or the exception, what you can do is you can add the index in the description while giving the description, and that's how you can identify the objects uniquely. But I will not recommend that using the index frequently, because that is not very reliable, because if another object comes in, then the indices will be different for the existing objects. So try to find such properties that are very unique to that object, and then this particular exception will not come. Then another exception that might come is object not found. So this one comes up when the object is really not available in the application, or another reason for this particular exception is that you are giving the incorrect description or the properties and values for identifying that object. So these are some of the LeanFT challenges and issues that you might face while doing the automation with LeanFT. So make sure that you are aware of those particular issues. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.